Why hello, you people from Earth and outer space. It is I, Alexander from the universe. In this episode of Let's Java, we're gonna go over some introductory elements. If you watch my series on Rust, you'll have noticed that this huge Java wallpaper in the background was there too. Now, all of a sudden, that wallpaper fits so much more nicely than that time. Java's a great language. In fact, Java is a concurrent, class-based, object-oriented, general-purpose programming language with the goal being as independent of implementation dependencies as possible. One of the ideas behind Java was for it to be WORA, write once, run anywhere, which is an abbreviation created by Sun Microsystems, serve as a slogan for the language's high portability. And now, Genesis chapter 1. In the beginning, there was James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Naughton initiating the Java project in June 1991. And Java was initially intended for use in interactive television, but it turned out that the language was way too advanced within that field. So they changed it into a computer language, which is great because all of a sudden now we can use Java for everything. And now, Genesis chapter 2. Java was first developed under the name Oak, named after an oak tree that stood outside of Gosling's office, which is like, hey, I'm sure the story went something like, Hey, Mike! Hey, Patrick! There's an oak tree outside my office. We gotta name this project Oak. Like, alright, let's do it, man. That's one mighty oak tree you have there. The project name later changed to Green, and finally were to be known as Java, with its name, quite obviously so, being derived from that of Java coffee, because everybody loves coffee, and especially Java coffee. The intention of this series is for the viewer to learn Java from scratch. So if you're one of those people who's wanted to learn Java, then you're in the right place, dude. Moreover, it's been discussed whether Java is going to survive for much longer, and personally, I think Java is one of those languages that's really hard to kill due to its brilliant portability. You can do so many things with it, and especially Android using Java for development. It's kind of like, if you want to kill it, you gotta get some silver bullets. It is very hard to kill. You would need to develop such an amazing language out of reach for most intelligent human beings. Java is great. There are things, however, that Java is bad at, but don't let that stop you. You can do pretty much anything in Java, man. You gotta do it, man. Java's great. Go do it. Well, goodbye, you people from Earth and outer space. Feel free to leave a comment stating something not really hilarious or perhaps even a like. Until next time.